Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, the place where every chess lover finds their home. As always, we cherish your interaction. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment with your thoughts. Today, we're traversing the captivating world of the Queen's Gambit, Accepted. The Queen's Gambit Accepted is an intriguing and challenging response to the Queen's Gambit. Black accepts the offered pawn, setting the stage for complex positions rich in tactical possibilities. By accepting the gambit, Black aims to disrupt White's plans of total central control. White's task, in response, is to rapidly recapture the gambit pawn while retaining a strong presence in the center. Let's delve deeper into the first 8 moves of both players. 1. d4, d5. White begins by attempting to control the center, while Black mirrors this move, declaring an intention to fight for the same territory. 2. c4, c4. The gambit is offered by White, aiming to disrupt Black's central control. Black accepts, venturing into the captivating labyrinth of the Queen's Gambit Accepted. 3. e3, b5. White plans to recapture the pawn and releases the dark square bishop. Black, in response, tries to hold onto the gambit pawn by advancing the b-pawn. 4. a4, c6. White challenges Black's pawn chain, aiming to undermine it. Black strengthens the chain with a pawn move to c6. 5. b5, b5. White captures the pawn on b5, opening the a-file for the rook. Black recaptures, maintaining a pawn advantage but leaving the c4 pawn isolated. 6. Queen f3, knight c6. White's queen move not only develops a piece but also pressures Black's knight. Black, undeterred, develops the knight to c6, defending the rook and preparing to castle. 7. Queen c6, bishop d7. White takes the knight, forcing Black to respond to the check. Black blocks with the bishop, adding another attacker on the queen. 8. Queen f3, e6. White retreats the queen to a safe square, keeping an eye on the king side and central squares. The Queen's Gambit Accepted offers a unique blend of positional and tactical play. The challenge for Black is to make the extra pawn count while maintaining a solid position and ensuring piece development. To end with a fun fact, the Queen's Gambit Accepted has been employed by several world champions. Garry Kasparov used it to great effect in his 1985 World Championship match against Anatoly Karpov. If you found this breakdown of the Queen's Gambit Accepted valuable, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more insightful content, and remember to share your thoughts in the comments. Keep thinking, keep playing, and see you in the next video.